Hi, I'm Teacher Melay, and let's talk about Venn diagram. So what is a Venn diagram? So a Venn diagram uses circles that overlap or don't overlap to show commonalities and differences among things or group of things. So in our lesson, for example, in set, wherein different set contains elements, so we can actually use that for us to see what are the intersections, what are the unions, and all other operations involved. And then, things that have commonalities are shown as overlapping circles, while things that are distinct stand alone. So when we use a Venn diagram and it overlaps, usually to show that that is the solution or that it contains the same values rather, or the solution to our operation. So what we usually do is to shade it. So Venn diagrams are now used as illustrations in business and in many academic fields. So let us understand Venn diagram by also considering now some historical background. So it is the English logician John Venn who popularized the diagram in 1880s. So another term for Venn diagram is Euler's circle or Eulerian circles after the Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler. So he created similar diagrams in 1700. So sometimes a Venn diagram is also called Euler's circle or Eulerian circles. So the term Venn diagram did not appear in 1918 when Clarence Lewis, an American academic philosopher and the eventual founder of conceptual pragmatism, referred to the circular depiction as the Venn diagram in his book, A Survey of Symbolic Logic. So these are the examples of illustration used in set. So this is the A intersection B. So we have the shaded region, the overlapping of set A and set B. So for A and B, set A, the same set A and B, if it's union, it means that it contains all the values or all the elements. So it is shaded, even the intersection. So we also have given the symbol for or representation for universal. So it is a rectangular form wherein the set is inside it, where it means set A is a subset of our universal set. And A prime, based from the definition, is elements of the universal set not in A. So we will leave the circle as a blank and the shaded part is outside the circle. And then for A minus B, elements in A, not in B. So the elements of A, so we are going to remove the intersection because in its definition, it is elements of A, not in B. So what they call this, the intersection of A and B will not be included. So this is how it is represented. And for the crosshatch region, so if you notice here, we have A union B, which means it is shaded with horizontal lines. And then the intersection C, so it is elements in A union B. Where is our A union B? So this part. And intersection, sorry, this is the union. So all the elements in A and all the elements in the B. Now for the intersection in C, so it contains elements in A, B, that is also in C. So that is the one with vertical and horizontal lines. So it is the crosshatch region. So that is how to illustrate our Venn diagram. So later, if you want to also to use a Venn diagram, if you are more comfortable with using it, so you can do that, or you can also stick to the listing method or the roster method. So for the references, so for our definition of what is Venn diagram, so it can be accessed in investopedia.com. And of course, for our illustration, so it is again from Morash, The Bridge to Abstract Mathematics. So thank you for watching.